Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and I have something else to show you today. This is a box from Sewers Club. This is my second one that I have received. Last one was this, where I made this cute little tote bag. So let's see what's in the box this month. And it's called Cupid's Catch-All. Cupid's Catch-All. Oh, there's a picture. Cute. So I am guessing that this is a subscription that they're all like totes or something like that. I wasn't really sure. So far, like I said, this is my second one and it's cute. So you get a pattern, Cupid's Catch-All, and I believe you get everything that you need to make it. And it has full color photos. Let's see what we've got. This is fabric B, called Passing Fancy Flame Wild Abandon Fat Quarter. Pretty color. So that's a fat quarter. And this I believe is going to be for the inside. It's the inside of the little tote. Pretty fabric can, and there is a half yard of that. Excuse me. My nose is really itching today. This is called Unbound Plum. There's only an eighth of a yard of this. Not even an eighth of a yard. The fat eighth. Fat eighth. There is also fusible foam stabilizer and the bag. And it looks like also there is a zipper. Must be a zipper inside. Red. It's a Gutermann and it's a red color. These are the magnetic snaps that I'll be using. And then there's a little label. See how they have the label on the outside here? So that's what that's for. And you get a notion. And this one is a Hera marker. I've got one of these, but this is a small one. I've got a bigger one. So this is kind of neat. So I will be making this, and I'll probably wait and not show the video until I have this done, and then I'll show it to you. Hopefully, let's see what happens.